Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Ferdium in your computer in a very simple way. Ferdium combines WhatsApp, Gmail, Slack, Discord, and more into one app. So how you can simply download it, very easy. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option, and here you can simply search for Ferdium download. Click on that, and then you can simply click on the download option and click on the download for click on download, and after that you're going to get the download option. Click on download and it will going to be downloaded. It's about 329 MB, so it will take some minutes to complete. For that, keep your patience. And as you can see that the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install and simply minimize all of your background app. Before that, you have to click on this more info, run anyway, and minimize all of your background app. And now as you can see, here is the Ferdium setup. So I'm going to go for only for me, click next. And as you can see, the Ferdium is rightly set up, and click finish. And here is your Ferdium is rightly opened. So from here, you have to just sign in, create an account, log in your account, or you can use Ferdium by simply using it. Here, as you can see, you can use WhatsApp, Telegram, Skype, Google Chat, Discord, Gitter, Gmail, everything. So yeah, this is how you can simply do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.